Welcome everyone to this quick video of how you can add your certificate or digital badge on your LinkedIn profile and share it with your community and your network. So this is the certificate. This is one of the certificates that I had got for the foundational skills that are there. So we have a lot of foundational skills. This is other than our programs that we run. So this is a very basic certificate. If you can see, we have the credential ID, the credential URL, and the badge that is there. So if you request, you can get this badge separately, which I'm also going to show you how to use it on our LinkedIn. So you can see I have already gone to our LinkedIn profile and I have added this certificate that is there, which has, if you can go here, and I will be just showing it live of how I can do it in front of you, so you can do this as well. So here, name, you need to add this basic Python certification that is there. So this is basic Python certification, and then what you need to do is you need to give the issuing organization is Decoding Data Science. Issue date, this certificate is issued in the month of this is issued in the month of, if you go, this is the website where it is. So it is issued in the month of March 2024. So this is something that you need to add here. Ideally, I'm just showing you because I've already done this. I'm not going to submit it. March 2024. Generally, these are expiration. You can keep it for 3 years. That is a good sign as well. 2026. Better to do a refresher every time. Credential ID. So this is the credential ID that you can get. So it is printed on your certificate. You can try. I'm not sure whether it is able to copy it directly. I can copy it directly as well. The URL is this particular thing. If you can see, if I click this, it is not, let me see, it is going here, and then you can go to that website exactly. Certifications. So this is the place where I have put all the batches together. So this is a place where you will see the authentic people who have been who have taken part from our things that are there. So skills, so this particular foundation skills is Python. It may not be there for so specific things like if you want AI for executive, AI residency, these things will not be here. So but for foundational skills you can add this. For others you can leave it blank. For media, this is interesting, right? For media you can upload your media here. So you can upload the certificate Muhammad Arshad Python. Just make sure the name is right. No need to put the bigger name that is there. So Muhammad Arshad Ahmad. So this is your certificate. You can write here Muhammad Arshad Ahmad Python certificate. And you can also write here digital certification available, credentials and verification available here, just to know that anyone can not do this. So this is something that you can write here as well, available here. Then you can label here, and same thing what you can do is now badge. Now a lot of people want badge as well, right? So you can add your badge here, add media. So this is my badge, and you can do here, and you can here digital badge and certification spelling available here. So this is something that you can do. So these are two things. So I think first certificate and then the badge. So once you click save, this is going to get saved, and you will be able to issue it. So when you do save and you do it, it is going to give you that announcement thing that you have an I will not do that because I have just done this here. So I will just do discard, and I will show you how it looks, right? Like it looks like this. So if you can see, it looks like this, and if you click the URL you will be able to see it. So let me go back to my certification. So when anyone opens it, you will be able to see it. You cannot drag or drop. This is the problem with the certificate. You need to add, depending upon when you have added this, it is going to show. Ideally, like this certificate, it will show your certificate and your badge. And if anyone wants to click this, he can open this and see the details. He wants to see the badge, he wants to see the certificate, he can do that. Pinning is not an option here yet. Edit, there is no option to pin this up so that it shows on the first, because I have done a lot of certification, so it keeps moving around. That is there. So first it is going to give you depending upon the date and the thing that is there, and it is going to show that. So try to do this. If you do it, you can announce it as well. And thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Best of luck and congratulations. I encourage people to post about their digital certificate and badge more on social media to show their authenticity, and they have learned from a well-renowned and recognized academic institute like Decoding Data Science, and they have completed the assessment and the marks that are there as well.